Hey job seekers! Ready to create an impressive resume? I'm Laxman Singh, and I've got some game-changing tips for you. First, make sure your format is clear and visually appealing. Tailor your resume to the job you're applying for, and don't forget to quantify your achievements. Show off your relevant experience and highlight your skills. Craft a compelling summary that grabs attention. Use action verbs for impact and pay attention to detail. Include keywords to catch the recruiter's eye. And remember, keep it concise. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more career advice. Need personalized assistance? Reach out to us at hr@amc.in or via WhatsApp at 701-180-3312. Your success is our priority. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy job hunting!